Today we're going to master the Philadelphia accent. And of course, I'd like to shout out some famous Philadelphians. Sylvester Stallone, Tina Fey, Patti LaBelle, Kevin Bacon, Bradley Cooper.
Hey, what about me?
And of course, my friend Vinnie. How you doing, Vinnie?
I'm doing all right, yous?
As always, let's start with resonance. That's where the sound sits in the mouth. For the standard American English, it's right there in the middle. But for the Philly accent, it's a bit different. The sound's more forward in the mouth, the jaw's more active, it's direct and energetic. Think blue collar. It's practical, fast-moving and competent. Less polished, more neighborhood conversation. Pitch and intonation. Philly speech is generally direct, conversational, slightly nasal. We don't waste time. We move quick and efficient. For example, I'm heading down to the store to get some water. Do you need anything? I'm heading down to the store to grab some water. He's good? See how the rhythm is kind of pushing forward rather than lingering? It's busy, purposeful, no nonsense. Right. Now, the O sound. This is one of the signature Philly sounds. It's got kind of an oo sound to it. For instance, if I say home, it's going to sound more like home, phone, phone. The vowel moves upward. Example, going home. Going home? Yeah, so that O sound is a signature Philly sound. But the most famous is probably the ah to the oo sound. For instance, give me some water.
Give me some water.
Daughter.
Daughter.
Hey, I'm still waiting on that water.
Still waiting on the water.
This is one of the quickest ways to sound Philly. Next, the short A split. Words like man, bad, glass. They're tighter, more raised. Let me give you an example. Man, man, bad, bad, glass, glass. Hear that? It's subtle, but very important. The T sound. The T's are softer than in standard American English. Center.
Center.
Internet.
Internet.
Pretty.
Pretty.
Next. Drop in the G. Running. Working. Walking.
Running.
Working. Walking. Rhythm and attitude. Philadelphia speech is familiar. Not rude, just direct. How you doing today? Is going to become, you good? I'm good. That's why I like this accent. It's practical and grounded. Let's talk Philly vocabulary. We'll start with the Swiss Army knife of Philly words. John. It can be a person, a place, a thing, just about anything. That's right. Think of it as a substitute word. When the word doesn't really matter or you can't think of it. Hey, pass me that John.
Pass me that John.
Great example. Translation, pass me that book, or remote, or phone, or whatever object you're pointing at.
That John was amazing.
Translation, that movie was amazing. That restaurant was amazing. You get the idea.
Where's that John at?
I don't know, wherever you left it. I'm heading over to John.
I'll be right behind you.
Who's that John? Next up, a submarine sandwich. It's not a sub. It's not a hero. It's a hoagie. And we've already established that water is
water.
And if you're from Philly and you're a sports fan, there's a good chance you're a fan of the Eagles.
Go Birds!
Go Birds. If Vinnie actually says the word Eagles, it's probably going to sound more like
Eagles.
Instead of saying you guys, Vinnie's probably going to say,
Yous.
Are you coming to the game?
Yous coming to the game?
A lot of times, a refreshing snack at the beach or an amusement park is an Italian ice or a snow cone. But in Philly, you're going to grab a
water ice.
Now, some Philly fun facts. Philadelphia was the first capital of the United States.
The Declaration of Independence was signed right there in Philly.
The Liberty Bell is in Philadelphia.
In Philly, we got the cheesesteaks, the hoagies, and the Eagles.
Rocky was filmed in Philly.
Yo, Rocco.
All right, let's put it all together. Listen to Vinnie first, and then repeat after him.
Yous grab the hoagie, I'll get the water. Go Birds.
Now get out there and start practicing. Remember, the Philly accent is direct. It's energetic. But it's not a tough guy accent.
Ain't about sounding tough.
So keep it authentic. And go big to start out with. You can always scale back after a while. Watch YouTube videos, listen to podcasts, or watch fans being interviewed after an Eagles win. There's a great TV show. This is a masterclass in the Philly accent. Mayor of Easttown. Rocky, of course, for the cultural Philly vibe, and Invincible. There's one from the past with Mark Wahlberg. All these are going to help you become more accustomed to speaking authentically. All right. If you want a PDF that you can use to follow along with when you watch the video or just to practice on your own, shoot me an email and I'll send that to you. I love you.
Go Birds!
I love you too.